How many people have found the love they want? How many people would die to laugh the way we do? The way we understand each other without words. The way we cry because we care a little bit too much. But what if that much is what we need? And that much is who we are? Is it wrong to feel? Or not feel at all? So fast. Don't have time to process. I hear a lot of noises. Who are you? Which one are you? Who are you? The world is steady judging while we're trying to find our happy ending. But that's all I hear. Noises. Until I choose me. Complicated, happy me. And then I'm finally free. Me. But how many people have found it the way we do? And how long does it take for you to find you?